Hello, this video will show you how to search the catalog to find books available at Morse Library. To get started, head to beloit.edu/library. Once you're at the main page, scroll down until you see the large search box. If you know the name of the resource you're looking for, select the appropriate tab, either Books and Media or Journals, and search by title. You can also search by author or ISBN. The call number is listed below each resource. Use this number to locate materials in the library. You can also use the catalog to search for materials that the library has that will help your research. Type your keywords into the search bar. I've typed college students and stress. I've put college students in quotations because other types of students are outside the scope of my research. As you can see, my search has returned over 30,000 titles. There are a few quick ways we can limit results. First, limit the library to Beloit College. Second, consider limiting based on resource type. If you know you want a book, limit to book or ebook. If you scroll further down, you can limit by publish date as well. I am going to limit to the last 10 years. If, at any time you want to edit your filters, you can simply click the X to remove a filter in the Filters section on the left side of your screen. When you find a source that's interesting to you, click on the title for more information. Clicking View Description can be helpful because it often provides a table of contents. This can help you understand where and how much a book discusses your topic. The subject headings are also helpful. You can use them to refine your search. If you want to learn more about using the library catalog, contact a librarian at libref@beloit.edu. If you ever have trouble finding a book on the shelves, head to the info desk. We are always available to take a look.